In this video, I will show you how to make a channel on Telegram. Firstly, you need to open up your settings site on your account. Then, what you need to do, simply need to get up right here and you need to tap on that pencil side right down. And then it will shows up these three options on the first side, in which you need to go on the last one, which is new channel. And right here you need to go for create channel. Here you can add the name of the channel. I will go with hype. Then you can add description on it. Then you can go on that button to take over. Here you can select if you want to get up and public channel set up on your site, or you can go up with a private channel. I will go with public channel right now. Yeah, I can also add link site, in which it could be also interesting for me. I don't know, I will go with this one. And then go again on your right upper side to take a look. But as you can see, channel names must be at least 5 characters. Yeah, this is why you need to add something more. And now you can add here the friends that you want to get up into your channel. I will go with, I don't know, this one. Go on that side. And here guys, as you can see, I have created a channel on Telegram.